Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss, managing your own schedule, and building something meaningful from the comfort of your home? That vision isn't a distant dream. It's a reality within your reach. Get ready to ignite your entrepreneurial spark and discover how to transform your passion into a thriving business. Whether you're a student with great ideas, a freelancer looking for stability, a parent yearning for flexibility, or simply someone ready to take the plunge, starting a business from home is much more than a trend. It's a revolution that offers you unparalleled flexibility and the opportunity to generate significant income without sacrificing your personal life or your current job. Imagine designing your day, dedicating time to what truly matters, and watching your project grow with every effort. It's the path to autonomy and personal fulfillment. This approach allows you to be the architect of your own destiny, adapting your workday to your needs and priorities. For students, it means financing their studies and gaining experience. For parents, balancing family and professional life, and for freelancers, expanding their horizons without geographical limits. It's a golden opportunity for anyone looking for a change. The digital world has opened up a universe of possibilities for home entrepreneurs. Here we present ideas that are not only profitable, but will also allow you to tap into your talents and passions. Find the one that resonates with you, and get ready to make an impact. Imagine having your own store accessible 24/7 to customers from any corner of the globe. Selling physical products like unique crafts or designer clothing, or digital products like ebook templates or digital art, allows you to reach a massive audience with a minimal initial investment. It's your chance to turn a hobby into a source of income. For beginners, platforms like Shopify or Etsy make the process much easier by removing technical barriers. You can start with a small niche and expand as your business grows by building a brand that reflects your personality and values. Your creativity is the only limit. Dropshipping is a fantastic strategy for those looking to start an e-commerce business without the complexity of managing inventory. You handle sales and marketing, while a third party handles warehousing and shipping the products directly to the customer. It's a low-risk option. This option is ideal for students and beginners as it drastically reduces initial investment and operating costs. You can experiment with different niche markets and products, learning what works without committing large sums of money. Your focus will be on connecting with your customers. If you have an eye for design or a creative mind, print on demand allows you to monetize your creations without having to produce large quantities. Design t-shirts, mugs, posters, or phone cases, and they'll only be printed when a customer places an order. It's a sustainable and risk-free way to sell your designs. This is a great option for artists, graphic designers, and anyone with original ideas. Platforms like Printful or Redbubble handle production and shipping, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating. Let your designs speak for themselves and generate revenue. The digital world is hungry for experts in marketing, writing, SEO, and graphic design. If you possess any of these skills, you can offer your services to businesses and entrepreneurs who need help standing out online. Your knowledge is a valuable asset that you can transform into a profitable business. Freelancers and students can take advantage of this area to build a solid portfolio and an enviable reputation. Demand is constant, and the growth opportunities are endless, allowing you to work with clients around the world from your home. Become the expert everyone is looking for. Are you passionate about a particular topic? Do you have a story to tell or knowledge to share? Monetize your content through blogs, podcasts, or YouTube channels. Build a community around your interests and generate income through advertising, sponsorships, or your own products. It's an authentic way to connect and thrive. This is an inspiring avenue for those who want to make their mark and share their passion. Parents can document their experiences, students can share what they learn, and anyone can become a leader in their niche. Your authenticity is your greatest asset. If you're an expert in something, from math to cooking, you can transform your knowledge into online courses or personalized tutoring sessions. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy allow you to create and sell your courses to a global audience. It's a rewarding way to generate income and empower others. This option is perfect for educators, professionals, and anyone with a valuable skill they can teach. Not only do you generate income, but you also experience the satisfaction of helping others grow and achieve their goals. Your experience is invaluable. If you have magical hands and enjoy creating unique objects, from jewelry to home decor, you can sell your creations online or at local markets. Handmade products have a special charm and are in growing demand from consumers who value authenticity and quality. This is a wonderful opportunity for artists and craftspeople, as well as for parents looking for a creative and profitable project. Every piece you create carries your essence, and that's something customers deeply appreciate. Turn your passion for handmade into a thriving business. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks, social media management, or customer support, but can't afford a full-time employee. This is where you come in as a virtual assistant, offering your services remotely and flexibly. It's a growing profession that allows you to be a pillar for other businesses. This is an excellent option for freelancers and people with organizational and communication skills. You can work with multiple clients, diversifying your income and building a strong professional network. Become the guardian angel of productivity for your clients. If you love animals, you can offer daycare, dog walking, or in-home pet care services. Many pet owners need reliable help when they're away or have busy schedules. It's a business that allows you to combine your passion with a real market need. This is a fantastic option for parents and students looking for flexible and rewarding work. Not only do you generate income, but you also enjoy the company of adorable furry companions. Turn your love for animals into a joyful business. Personalization is in fashion. Offer services to personalize mugs, t-shirts, cards, cell phone cases, or any other item with unique designs, names, or special messages. Customers look for products that reflect their individuality, and you can be the one to give them that distinctive touch. This idea is ideal for creatives and those with graphic design or craft skills. With a relatively low initial investment in equipment like a sublimation printer or a cutting machine, you can create a business with high potential for customization and profitability. Make every object tell a story. If you're an expert in a specific field like finance, marketing, technology, or business management, you can offer your consulting services to small and medium-sized businesses. Your experience and knowledge can be the key to helping other businesses overcome challenges and achieve their goals. This is a golden opportunity for professionals with years of experience who want to share their wisdom and make a significant impact. You can set your own rates and schedules, working with clients who truly value your perspective. Your knowledge is a treasure you can share. Coaching is an incredibly rewarding profession that allows you to guide individuals or groups toward their goals in areas such as finance, business, health, sports, or personal development. If you have the ability to motivate, listen, and empower, this is your calling. For those with a passion for human development and helping others, coaching offers a career with purpose and flexibility. You can work with clients from all over the world, helping them unlock their full potential. Be the catalyst for change in people's lives. Starting a business can seem overwhelming, but with a clear roadmap, each step will bring you closer to your goal. These are the fundamental pillars for building a solid and successful business from the comfort of your home. Get ready to turn your dreams into reality. The first step is crucial. Find that idea that not only has market potential, but also ignites your passion. A successful business is born from the intersection of what you love to do and what the world needs. Research, validate your idea, and make sure there's real demand. Don't rush into it. Take the time to explore your interests, skills, and the needs of your environment. Talk to potential clients, look for trends, and analyze the competition. When your heart and mind are aligned, you'll have found the right path. Learning is a continuous journey in entrepreneurship. Identify the key skills you need for your business and commit to developing them, whether through online courses, workshops, books, or mentoring. Invest in yourself. Your personal growth is the driving force of your business. For students, this may mean applying what they've learned in college. For freelancers, it may mean further specialization. And for parents, it may mean acquiring new skills that will help them balance their work and family life. Never underestimate the power of improvement. A business plan doesn't have to be a complex and overwhelming document. It can be a simple yet effective guide. It defines your vision, mission, target audience, marketing strategy, cost structure, and financial projections. This plan will be your compass along the way. For beginners, a lean canvas can be an excellent starting point. It will help you clarify your ideas, identify potential obstacles, and set realistic goals. A good plan will give you confidence and direction. Even if you work from home, it's vital to create a space that inspires you and allows you to focus. It could be a room, a corner, or even a well-organized desk. This physical space will help you establish boundaries between your personal and professional life, fostering productivity. For parents, this is especially important to minimize distractions and stay focused. A dedicated space helps you get into work mode and be more efficient, even if you only have a few hours a day. In today's world, digital marketing is the lifeblood of any business. Learn how to use social media, email marketing, SEO, and online advertising to reach your target audience. You don't need to be an expert, but you do need to understand the basics to effectively promote your products or services. There are countless free and low-cost resources for learning these skills. Invest time in understanding how the digital world works. It will be one of the most profitable investments for your business. Once you have your products or services ready, it's time to shout it out to the world. Use social media, create valuable content, participate in online communities, and leverage word of mouth. Be authentic and show the passion behind your project. Don't be afraid to showcase your work and ask for feedback. Every interaction is an opportunity to connect with a potential client and build a loyal community. Your enthusiasm is contagious. Use it to engage your audience. The entrepreneurial journey is full of ups and downs. There will be days of euphoria and days of challenge. Consistency and discipline are your best allies. Stay focused on your goals, learn from your mistakes, and celebrate every small achievement. Perseverance is what will take you to the top. For everyone, but especially for parents and students with busy schedules, discipline is essential for moving forward. Establish routines, manage your time wisely, and remember why you started. Your consistent effort will pay off. Starting a business from home isn't just a way of working. It's a lifestyle that offers you a freedom and control that few traditional jobs can match. It's an opportunity to design your life around your values and priorities. Imagine being able to take your kids to school, exercise midday, or work during your peak hours without asking anyone's permission. Flexible hours are, without a doubt, one of the biggest advantages of starting a business from home. You decide when and how you work. For parents, this means a real balance between family and professional life. For students, it means the ability to fit work into their study schedule. It's the freedom to live your life your way, without constraints. One of the biggest barriers to starting a business is the initial investment. By working from home, you eliminate expenses such as office rent, daily transportation, and formal attire. This allows you to invest more in your business or simply start with less capital. For beginners and students, this significantly reduces financial risk, making the dream of entrepreneurship much more accessible. It's a smart way to build a solid business without breaking the bank. Beyond the flexibility, starting a business from home gives you complete control over how you spend your time. You can dedicate more time to your family, your hobbies, your personal development, or causes you're passionate about. Your life doesn't adapt to work. Work adapts to your life. This control allows you to live a more fulfilling and balanced life, reducing stress and increasing your overall well-being. It's the opportunity to build a business that truly serves your lifestyle, not the other way around. There's nothing more rewarding than dedicating your days to something you're truly passionate about. Starting a business from home gives you the opportunity to turn your interests and talents into a source of income, transforming work into an activity full of purpose and joy. When you love what you do, motivation flows naturally, and challenges become opportunities for growth. This is the key to a sustainable and deeply satisfying career. Entrepreneurship is a school of life. You will face challenges that will force you to learn new skills, step out of your comfort zone, and develop unwavering resilience. Every obstacle overcome will make you stronger and wiser. This journey will transform you not only as a professional, but also as a person. You'll develop a growth mindset, problem-solving skills, and self-confidence that will serve you well in all aspects of your life. It would be naive to think that the path of entrepreneurship is always easy. There will be challenges, but with the right mindset and effective strategies, you can overcome them and emerge stronger. Recognizing them is the first step to conquering them. Being your own boss means you won't have the benefits like health insurance, paid vacation time, or retirement plans offered by traditional employers. This requires proactive planning on your part. The solution: research private insurance options, build an emergency fund, and plan your finances to cover these issues. Consider this an investment in your well-being and peace of mind. Working alone from home can lead to feelings of isolation. The lack of daily interaction with colleagues can affect your mood and creativity. As a solution, seek out online and offline entrepreneur communities. Attend networking events, consider occasional co-working spaces, or schedule regular video calls with colleagues and mentors. Connection is vital. Distractions at home are a reality. Housework, family, pets, the TV, maintaining focus can be a real challenge. Solution: set clear work schedules. Communicate your boundaries to your family. Use time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique, and make sure your workspace is free of clutter and distractions. Balancing work and personal life can be a challenge, especially when your office is just steps away from your bedroom. The lines between work and rest can become blurred, leading to burnout. The solution: set strict limits on your work hours, schedule regular breaks, make time for leisure and self-care activities, and learn to delegate whenever possible. Your well-being is just as important as the success of your business. Without a boss to oversee you, procrastination can creep in. Maintaining high motivation, especially on difficult days, requires a conscious effort. The solution: set clear and achievable goals, celebrate your small achievements, seek inspiration from other entrepreneurs, and constantly remind yourself why. Surround yourself with a supportive network that will push you forward. Starting a business from home is an exciting adventure that requires effort, motivation, and a good dose of hard work. But with a solid idea, strategic planning, and unwavering discipline, you can build a successful business that not only generates income, but also brings you deep personal satisfaction. It's your chance to design the life you've always dreamed of, with the freedom to be yourself and the power to create your own destiny. It doesn't matter if you're a student with big dreams, a freelancer looking to expand your horizons, a parent yearning for flexibility, or simply someone ready to take charge of your future. The path is open, the tools are available, and your potential is unlimited. It's time to stop dreaming and start building. Are you ready to transform your life and build the business you've always imagined? Don't wait any longer. Choose one of the ideas that resonates most with you, do a little more research, and create your first mini action plan. Share this message with someone who needs a push, and join our community of entrepreneurs to find support, inspiration, and valuable resources. Your journey to freedom and success begins with that first brave decision.